The legal land description on the sign puts us on the south-facing slopes of the Dirt Hills in southern Saskatchewan. Charlie Flowers built this schoolhouse in 1930 from plans and perhaps some special furnishings that he got from the Waterman Waterbury Company of Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's a classic Saskatchewan one-room schoolhouse. There were scores of them built. It is Friday afternoon, February 21st, 2020, and this is Crystal Hills, Saskatchewan, looking due west down Township Road 110, the correction line. And there's the noted golfer C.R. Wilson out taking a stretch. Just out of sight, about a mile down the Township Road there, was the farmhouse in which Wesley Heslop established the Crystal Hills Post Office on July 1st, 1915. Charlie Flowers was the fourth postmaster working through the dirty 30s. The office was closed on July the 8th, 1959, a couple of months after Mrs. Annie Bistretzen resigned. The school was the second on the site, replacing a 1912 original. There's a good dog. Come on, Fig. The present school was closed in 1954. The kids probably going to Ormiston or Avonlea, each about 22k away in opposite directions. Crystal Hill, Saskatchewan.